Everyone, this is Sid here, and as I said, this video will be uploaded today. This is the calf, and this is the mother. The calf is drinking milk from its mother's udder. It is the natural way for a calf to get nutrients. It needs to grow and develop properly. Cow's milk is rich in protein, fat and other nutrients that are essential for the calf's growth and development. Hope you liked today's video about the beautiful cattle cows. Stay tuned for our next adventure in the mysterious forests of Manas and Assam. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also share with your friends and family. Till then, goodbye.